A civil service hearing concerning former Lake Charles Police Sergeant Harold Nevels completed its third day. Good evening, I'm Cynthia Arsenault.
And I'm Jillian Corder. Nevels' attorney is trying to show he wasn't treated fairly. Teresa Schmidt reports.
Harold Nevels faces criminal charges for malfeasance in office and stalking a former girlfriend. But this is a civil service hearing to determine if firing him was fair. Nevels wants his job back. City Attorney David Morgan says they have to show the discipline was in good faith and for just cause. Former Lieutenant Richard Harrell, who did the internal investigation, was grilled by Nevels' attorney Todd Clemens.
And you say in denying that allegation, he knowingly withheld material matter that would have corroborated his guilt. Corroborated his guilt of what crime?
Not necessarily a crime, but a policy violation.
And it's not a crime, whether it's the right thing to do, but it's not a crime to have someone call a man's wife and make allegations, is it?
Not in that context alone, no.
As Clemens tries to show Nevels was treated unfairly, he brought up that no punishment happened to an officer who hit someone in the face over a traffic incident, while Nevels was fired for allegedly violating police policy.
The punishment that he received was not reasonable. And the only way to determine reasonable, Mr. McHugh, is to put it in some context. This is one case that I'm very familiar with, and I think it'll show how unreasonable what he did resulted in his termination compared to just one other case.
However, city officials argue Nevels' firing was justified for various reasons, including that he withheld information. Nevels plans to ask for his job back. Teresa Schmidt, 7 News.
The hearing is set to resume Monday morning. Nevels has not yet gone to trial on the criminal charges.